Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight into settings, no delays. Unlock your iPhone and make sure it's on Wi-Fi or has sufficient cellular. Once done, tap your name at the top to open Apple ID, then choose iCloud. Check the iCloud backup entry and note the last backup time and size so you know what's active. You need that context before stopping a backup. It prevents accidental data loss. Now tap iCloud Backup to reach the control that lets you pause or disable it. Here you take the decisive action. Flip the iCloud Backup switch to off. When the confirmation appears, read it and confirm that you want to stop automatic backups. This prevents future automatic uploads but doesn't delete device data. Make sure to check that Backup Now is no longer available or shows off, which confirms the setting changed. If you prefer, you can also selectively turn off specific app data under iCloud to reduce future backup size. Instead of disabling backup, finish by restarting the device to ensure the change takes effect across services. If you still see backups running, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. That forces iCloud to reevaluate settings. Make sure to check iCloud storage to remove any old backups you no longer need. If the toggle re-enables, update iOS and try again. Outdated software can misbehave. One key tip: only delete backups if you're certain you won't need to restore that device later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.